Hi, welcome to my backyard classroom on this beautiful spring day. Today we're going to be talking about a specific type of shape. And the specific type of shape or shapes we're going to talk about today are called polygons. And there are a few important things we need to remember when we're thinking about polygons. And first of all, what we need to remember are that polygons are two-dimensional shapes. They're 2D, which means they're flat. Okay? They just have width and height. There is no depth to them. The second thing is that they are closed. And I'll demonstrate that in a little while, but it's always important to remember polygons are always closed shapes. And some important things that all polygons have. One of the most important things is that they only have straight lines. You will never see a polygon with a curved line. If there's a curved line, it is not a polygon. And then also they have vertices. And a vertices is a special mathematical word for corners. And basically it just means the place where the two straight lines join or meet. Alright, so these are the important things to remember when we're thinking about polygons. Today what we're going to do is look at a few shapes and decide whether they are polygon or not polygons. So, I'm going to use my green. Green means go, yes. And green would be for the shapes that are polygons. And our red one, the red column, is the shapes that are not polygons. Okay, so let's have a look at a few shapes really quickly. We'll start with this one. Let's look at this shape. This one over here is our square. And a square is interesting because it has 4 sides that are equal length and 4 vertices. So let's have a look over here. Is it two-dimensional? Yes. It's flat. Is it closed? Yes. Closed means that there's no break in the line. So let's pretend this is a fence. There's no place where anybody could sneak in. You'd have to hop over that fence. Okay, so this is a closed shape. So yes, it is. Does it only have straight lines? Sure does. And the last thing, do you see the vertices? Do you see the corners? Yep, our square has 4 corners. So if we answer yes to every one of these questions, then that would mean that this is a polygon. All right, let's continue. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at this shape. This is our circle. Is our circle a two-dimensional shape? It sure is. Is it closed? Yes. I don't see any breaks in those lines. Are there any straight lines? Uh-oh. I don't see any straight lines in a circle, so let's say no to that one. So this one will automatically go underneath our not a polygon column. Next shape we have over here is our hexagon. And our hexagon is, sorry, I said hexagon, I meant pentagon. A pentagon is a shape that has 5 sides, and that's exactly what penta means. It means 5. And you'll notice that the shapes or polygons are named often for the number of sides that they have. So let's have a look over here. Is it two-dimensional? It sure is. Is it closed? Yep, I don't see any gaps or holes. Does it only have 3 straight lines? Yes, it does. I see 5 of them. And how about vertices? I do notice it has corners. I'm noticing 5 corners as well. I wonder if there's a relationship between how many lines and how many corners. And that would be interesting to look at and explore. All right, let's look at the shape. All right. Let's see. Is this two-dimensional? Uh-oh. Let's see. It's got width. It has height, but guess what? It also has depth. So, nope, this one, I don't even get past that first question on this one, because this is not a flat shape. This is a 3-dimensional shape, so it cannot be a polygon. All right, let's look at this one. Okay, here's my hexagon. Has 6 sides. Let's look. Let's scoot this one over. Is it two-dimensional? Yes, it is. Is it closed? It sure is. Does it only have straight lines? Yep. And how about vertices? I do see vertices. Oh, let's think. It has 6 straight lines. Let's see. Does it have 6 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It sure does. I wonder if that's something that happens with all polygons. Oopsie. Put it in the wrong spot. That is a polygon. Let's look at this next one. All right. I do see that it's two-dimensional. Is it closed? Oh no, it is not closed. Look over here, big open side. So we don't have to go any further. We already know that this is not a polygon. All right, let's look at this one over here. Okay. Is this a two-dimensional shape? Yes. Is it a closed shape? It sure is. I don't see any open spaces. Does it only have straight lines? Well, let's see. I see 1, 2, 3 straight lines. And uh-oh, this one is not straight. That one is a curve. So, can this be a polygon? Nope. It's going to go under not a polygon. Here we have our heart. Is it two-dimensional? Yes. Is it closed? Yes, it is. Does it have straight lines? Oh no, it failed in that respect. No straight lines. So this one goes under not a polygon. Here's our next one, our triangle. Tri means 3. Do you see 3 sides? I do too. It's two-dimensional. It's closed. There are only straight lines, and it has vertices. Let's see, 3 straight lines. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. I'm seeing a bit of a pattern there. All right, our last one. This shape. We have our, does anybody know what this one's called? Did you say diamond? Okay, the mathematical term for this one would be a rhombus. All right, so, is it a two-dimensional shape? Yes. Is it closed? Yes. Does it only have straight lines? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. How about vertices? Yep, I see. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. So this would be a polygon. All right, so there we have our polygons and not polygons. Alright, so I hope you all learned a little extra thing, something that you maybe did not know about polygons. And I want you to go around your house and see if you can find some shapes, and you could make your own T-chart and decide whether it is a polygon or not a polygon. Is it a two-dimensional shape with only straight lines and vertices? Or is it not a two-dimensional closed shape? All right. I hope that you've enjoyed this lesson, and I hope to see you back again next week in my backyard classroom. You guys are doing an awesome job. Keep up the great work. Bye.